So let's proceed. 187. Question is, what is the benefit of using technology-enhanced assessment? A. Increasing grading time. B. Increasing student system. C. Reduce accuracy. Or D. Enhance students' engagement. So, okay, let's proceed to 188. Question is, which assessment involves method? Students evaluating their own learning. Okay, A. Peer assessment. B. Self-assessment. C. Teacher assessment. Or letter D. Standardized testing. Okay, now, let's proceed to 189. Question is, what is the purpose of providing feedback in assessment? Letter A. To criticize student performance. Letter B. To guide students' learning and improvement. Letter C. To determine grades. Or letter D. To compare students. Let's proceed to 190.